Greetings, virtual travelers. I hope you guys are staying home and safe given the conditions we have in the world at this time. At least we are staying home and not allowed to travel anywhere. But I've got a backlog of stuff to give you, so that's fine. In this video, it's a short drive this time. It's from Landsborough. We drive a short distance from the town and turn into what's called the Old Gympie road. A short distance along there is a creek called the Little Rocky Creek. This is where we stop and have a look at the creek. It has a fair bit of exposed sandstone in it that is above the water level, especially when it's pretty dry. Now it's a special place because it gave the Aborigines which lived in this area the ideal place to grind their tools. The sandstone and the water were the perfect combination to do some grinding of axes, spearheads and cutting stone. All this activity over the decades has of course left these interesting grinding grooves in the sandstone. So towards the end of this drive we'll take you on a walk and show you most of the grooves. An interesting place for sure. G'day, we are here at the Little Rocky Grinding Grooves place, or it's called the Little Rocky Creek, where they have grinding grooves. This is an Aboriginal remnant whereby they were making knives and spears and by grinding them into the rock. So let's go and have a look. Yeah, you can see the grooves here. This is how they would have sharpened their tools. This is sandstone, and obviously ideal for doing stuff like this. These grills would be fairly old. I don't know how old, but probably hundreds if not thousands of years old. At least some of the oldest ones. When the creek's low, the sandstone would have been an ideal place to come and do the sharpening of the tools. Some older ones here. Here as well. We are in Landsborough, so we're not far away from the main town on the Gympie road, as you saw when we pulled in.